Guys, welcome back to Drew Tutorial, and in this video I'm going to show you how to lock and unlock your keyboard on your Windows 10 or Windows 11 PC. And this works for any computer. It's just about pressing one key. Before we jump in, guys, would you mind take a moment to give this video a like and hit that subscribe button, because this will let me know that you found value within this video. And on top of that, the biggest benefit is that you'll never miss out when I release future videos just like this one. Now let's continue. So how do you lock it? First, let me show you that my keyboard is working, right? And as you can see, I'm typing some stuff there within Notepad and it's working. So in order to lock your keyboard, you want to press the right shift key on your keyboard. So you want to hold this down until you hear a beeping sound. And there you have it. Now, once you receive this pop-up, you want to go ahead and click on yes. And if I start to type now, you realize that it's not typing, so my keyboard is completely locked. You can hear the typing sound. Now, in order to unlock the keyboard, you just need to press and press and press and press on the shift key until you get that notification or beeping sound. And then you'll be able to type again. So let's try this. If you're pressing it and you're realizing that it's still not working, you press and hold down the shift key once more for a lengthy time and you will realize that it will work. So let's try that. And there you have it, guys. So you can either press it once or you can press and hold just as how you press to lock it, and that will unlock it. So if I try to type again, you realize that my keyboard is not working. And that's all there is to it. Very easy and very simple. Here you have it, guys. I really hope you found value within this video, and if you do, don't forget to take a moment to give this video a like and hit that subscribe button so that you'll never miss out when I release future videos just like this one. Thank you guys for watching and see you next time.